Hi, this is just going to be a very quick video to show you how you can get your interrupt service routine to run in MPLAB X. To do this, you need the stimulus panel open here. If you haven't already got that open, you can find it under Window, Simulator, Stimulus. And elsewhere in my code, I've already enabled the external interrupt, RB0, and I've configured it with a falling edge. And so let's just have a breakpoint here. And so because it's configured with a falling edge, I first of all want to set the RB0. By the way, you can just type these if you want. I want to set RB0 high because I need that if I'm then going to go low, which is the falling edge. So then I'll add another row there and RB0. And this time around, I want it to pulse low. So that's going to be my falling edge. So now when I run the simulation, so the code's running. And of course, it's not handling any interrupts at the moment because there is no interrupt. So first of all, I want to set RB0 high, so I just click that. Okay, and then I want that falling edge to be simulated, so I want to pulse low. So I just click this, and then sure enough, it fired that, which has now meant that the interrupt service routine is running, and we're at that breakpoint. So that's it. It's really easy.